In recent years, homeowners in Birmingham have increasingly sought out ways to maximize natural light in their living spaces. The benefits are undeniable. Natural light not only brightens up the home, making it more inviting and cheerful, but it also has proven health benefits, including boosting mood, improving focus, and increasing energy levels. One of the most impactful ways to bring more daylight indoors is through the thoughtful selection of windows. From strategically placed bay windows to large picture windows, there are numerous options for maximizing natural light in your Birmingham home. Consider larger windows for increased light. One of the simplest and most effective ways to enhance the flow of natural light is by opting for larger windows. Expansive windows like picture windows provide a wide, uninterrupted view of the outdoors and allow sunlight to flood in throughout the day. In Birmingham, where many homes boast beautiful surroundings, picture windows not only brighten your space but also create a seamless connection to nature, bringing in the calming elements of the outdoors. 2. Embrace bay and bow windows. Bay and bow windows are classic choices for homeowners looking to boost both the aesthetic and lighting of their rooms. These window styles extend outward, capturing light from multiple angles and allowing it to fill your living space. In Birmingham's often temperate climate, this means making the most of every sunny day. Beyond lighting, bay and bow windows also add a touch of elegance and charm, increasing both curb appeal and interior ambiance. 3. Opt for sliding glass doors. Integrating sliding glass doors is a smart way to amplify natural light in your home while providing easy access to outdoor spaces. Perfect for connecting a living room to a backyard, patio, or balcony, sliding doors bring in ample daylight without taking up much interior space. As they often feature large glass panels, they contribute to a sense of openness and spaciousness, making smaller rooms appear larger. 4. Skylights. Bringing light from above in spaces where wall windows may not be feasible, such as bathrooms or attic conversions, skylights are a great alternative. Skylights bring natural light from above, filling rooms with an abundance of daylight and providing a dramatic effect. In Birmingham homes, skylights can make a significant difference during gloomy days, offering more consistent illumination than standard wall-mounted windows. 5. Glass panels and transom windows. Adding glass panels around doorways or installing transom windows can further boost the flow of natural light between rooms. Transom windows are often placed above door frames, allowing light to travel from one room to another even when the door is closed. In homes with dark hallways or rooms that lack wall space for large windows, transom windows are an innovative way to brighten interiors. 6. Maximize light with window treatments. To maximize the light that enters your Birmingham home, consider light-enhancing window treatments. Sheer or translucent curtains, for example, offer privacy without blocking sunlight. Light is by opting for larger windows. Expansive windows like picture windows provide a wide, uninterrupted view of the outdoors and allow sunlight. With the right window treatments, homeowners can maintain privacy and reduce glare while still making the most of natural light. 7. Energy efficiency. Let the light shine responsibly. While maximizing natural light is important, energy efficiency cannot be overlooked. In Birmingham, where temperatures can vary, choosing energy-efficient windows is a wise move. Look for options such as double-glazed or triple-glazed windows, which provide superior insulation and reduce heat loss, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Modern windows can balance natural light with energy conservation, allowing you to enjoy bright interiors without compromising on comfort. 8. Strategic window placement. Lastly, carefully consider the placement of your windows to make the most of natural light. East-facing windows capture the soft morning sun, while west-facing ones bring in warm afternoon light. South-facing windows are ideal for maximizing sunlight throughout the day. Working with a window professional to design the optimal layout for your Birmingham home can enhance both aesthetics and functionality. In conclusion, enhancing the natural light in your Birmingham home is a blend of selecting the right windows and strategically placing them to harness the sun's rays. From large picture windows and bay designs to skylights and energy-efficient options, there are numerous ways to bring brightness and warmth to your living space. Not only will maximizing natural light transform your home into a more cheerful and inviting space, but it also offers health benefits and reduces the need for artificial lighting, creating a more sustainable living environment. Consider exploring these window options to enjoy a brighter, more vibrant home every day.